Again, the 2016 Ford Mustang, the 2.3 liter, probably turbo and all that stuff. Anyway, whistling sound all the time. So let's get to it and see what we find. Well, let's give her a start here. See if we can hear this sound. I don't think you can hear it, but I do. Shoot, let's see here. Coming down low on that engine down there. Maybe now you can hear it. Let me put my microphone down there. So whistling sound coming down there on that side. I know what that is, actually. That's a vacuum controlled motor mount, believe it or not. So I stepped back into the office to pull you up a picture. As you can see, that engine mount right there. Right there. Has a vacuum hose going to it. Internal leak within inside this mount. Now you could stop that whistling by taking the vacuum off of it to verify that that's your problem. I don't know the purpose of a vacuum on a motor mount. I'm going to have to find out. So there you would have it, your 2016 Mustang 2.3 liter four-cylinder. Whistling sound coming from the engine area. Bad engine mount. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Hope this helps somebody out, and we'll see you next time.